Hi guys, good evening. It's almost 9 o'clock in the UK. A quick look at Ripple, see what happened today, because I'm keeping a close eye on this one. So far, so good. If I look at the 1 hour chart, you'll see that we've got a very, very strong move all of a sudden for the last hour. But please don't panic. It's only a normal three-wave correction that just happened now. So we got our um, three-wave correction. Remember, wave 4 I was talking about this morning. So I said we could have, or hope I said, wave 4 and we carry up for wave 5. So I've got my 1, my 2, my 3, and now wave 4 is done. Remember, I said as long as we stay above this wave 1, as long as that's the case, this is still building up as an impulse. Not a B wave, this is definitely an impulsive 5 waves up. So now we can just watch this to carry on up again. So yeah, good night. It will be a good one. Good luck.